No desiltation or dredging performed? Check. Substandard materials used? Check. Inadequately reinforced support? Check. Just a handful of observations the president noted in his ocular of a poorly constructed flood control project in Calumpit, Bulacan. That did nothing to mitigate the widespread inundation and misery of residents, which the president vows to address, as we hear more from our JM Pineda.
For several weeks, Calumpit, Bulacan experienced flooding after days of almost continuous rains coincided with the high tide. All barangays in the town were submerged in floodwater, affecting numerous residents and families. One of the affected areas was Barangay Frances, where the nearby river overflowed due to the high tide and continuous rainfall. It was only last week that the floodwater in their communities finally subsided. According to the chairman of Barangay Frances, more than 2,000 families were affected by the massive flooding.
Kasi po, siyempre po maano po yung kabuhayan. Yung iba, nagtatrabaho man, hindi makapagtrabaho dahil walang means of transportation. Yung iba namang mga tricycle boy, natural, hindi rin makakapamasada. Yun po yung isang malaking epekto. Umaasa na lang kami sa bigay ng gobyerno, ng mga private sector na nagbibigay sa amin.
This morning, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. together with the Bulacan local government visited a part of the barangay, particularly the riprap along the river in Purok 2. This serves as a barrier to prevent water from overflowing into their homes. The President expressed disappointment over what he saw, saying the flood control project was substandard and unfinished.
Hindi ginawa. Ito na naman, the same thing. Pag titignan mo yung report sa atin, completed lahat. Meron na yan. Tapos, ito na naman yung quality. Madaling makita. Hawakan mo yung semento dito. Unang-una yung semento, ganyan lang kakapal. Eh dapat 18 centimeters. 18 cm, mga 8 inches, parang kalsada. Dapat ganyan kakapal. Ganyan lang ang nandyan. Pag subukan nyo mamaya, hawakan na nyo, sa kamay, kayang durugin. Malabnaw yung semento.
He also noted that the cement used seemed to be skinned on, making the structure highly dangerous. The president also criticized the contractors for not doing a desiltation or dredging in the area.
Dapat doon na naman sa kontrata, may desiltation, dredging, completed. Tignan naman ninyo, paano magiging completed yan? Tignan ninyo. May isla sa gitna. Tinutubuan na ng damo na napaka... Masukal na yan, yun. Ibig sabihin, matagal na silang hindi nagde-dredge. Although sa report namin, nagde-dredge sila.
President Marcos assured that they will hold accountable those responsible for the defective and abandoned flood control projects, especially since many residents were affected.
Hanapin natin yung sinong responsible dito sa gobyerno, sa private, at kailangan managot sila dito sa kanilang ginawa. Managot sila, huwag sila managot sa akin, managot sila dito sa mga tao dito na yung mga kahirapan na dinala nila sa mga buhay nila.
Residents are hoping also that the flood control projects in their area will finally be fixed to prevent massive flooding again in the future. JM Pineda from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.